Alright, I guess I better show you what happened. Alright, so the wiring in this rollback runs from front to rear, and there's a channel right here that runs from about the middle right here all the way down, and you've got to run the wires through it. And then at the very end there's a deal that turns and it takes up the slack. Like, well, it's just, I can't hardly describe it, but it kind of comes back and then it curves back this way. This is the frame and this is the rollback, and as it rolls back, this lays in a channel long like that. And so as it rolls, you know, this is the wire and this is the frame, and like I say, this is like the rollback, and as it moves back this way, this wiring harness kind of rolls, it keeps going back. Well, what happened is I pull it forward. It's 24 below zero the other day in this Napa, which is good wire, it's Arctic wire, but look, you can see the damage it did to it. It just literally just ripped it apart. It got stuck in the channel. Because what happens when it's cold out, it doesn't have that much of a bend to it like this, and when it tries to roll, it wads up really bad. So what I'm doing now is I'm going to eliminate the channel that it was in, and I'm going to just drop see, it's going to drop right through there, and I'll just have to watch it until the summertime, until I can get that done up a little bit better. But there's no pinch points here or anything, so that's good. So basically this is just like any other wiring job. I'm going to put the balled connectors on it, and then this is the heat shrink, and then when I'm done with that, this is a main heat shrink here. This is I believe this is a 4-to-1 industrial heat shrink here, and I'm going to put that over that whole unit. It's a little bit larger to accommodate all the little butt connectors that I'm going to be using. So what I've got is, I'll put this light over here so you can see better. Oh, and that right there that I'm kneeling on, that's an actual life vest. I have some old life vests, and those things are so nice on my knees. But anyway, we're just going to run actual propane on there, just to, some people don't like that, they want to use a heat gun. Right now it's about 2 degrees, I believe. Here, I'm doing this with my phone, so it's a little awkward. So that should get you kind of an idea of what I'm going to do, and I'm going to do the rest of them off camera because I need both hands.